So we're out here today at the new Idaho State Observatory in the Bruno Sand Dunes. So we're going to be sealing some block today. So it's a pretty cool project. We've got really cool. We're going to show you the dome that rotates and opens. They're going to be mounting a state-of-the-art telescope in this building. It's not windy out here. It gets super windy out here at the Bruno Sand Dunes. But today it's a calm morning so far. See how it looks. We've got to mask off the metal door jamb over here because we can't get any of this product on that metal door jamb because the metal door jamb is going to be painted. We get some silicone on that door jamb, it's going to be a nightmare trying to paint it. We're also going to be masking off the metal work up here. We don't want anything on that either. So now we're starting the masking process. I'm going to be masking just with 9-inch paper right here, frog tape, on that metal work, and then flap it up and tack it. So just going to mask that off, and then we're just going to start spraying. Don't need to back roll, just spray. So we're just cruising right along, masking here. And just a handy little tip, having a tough gaff and while you're masking. So especially when using frog tape, because if you put frog tape in your mouth, the polymer on the outside of the tape is going to swell up, make your tape not effective. So, goes right on your waist, hands free. Right, so we've gone all the way around. We're gonna start pulling masking pretty soon. I got a little bit of sealer left, and it does snow out here a little bit, so I'm just gonna go, and the contractor wanted, this edge sealed really good, a second coat put on it.